Hey guys, Drew Williams coming to you live from Bale Camper Sales. It's that time of year, start slowing down, but I believe it's the perfect time to camp. Cooler weather, everything's a lot less stressful. Today we have a treat. You're going to be getting a tour of the 2021 KZ Gold 387 FLF. Take a moment to tell you some things you won't notice in the video. Guys, this thing is completely fully stocked. 3 air conditioners, towing package, Oklahoma upgrade, TV down in the pass-through, and washer dryer prep, you name it, it's got it. Fireplaces in every room. So without further ado, just like always, up in the corner here, this is a 360 video. You guys can follow me around, or you can move and zoom in and out as I go through this video. It does not matter. You can take it wherever you want if you want to zoom in on things, regardless if I'm in that part of it or not. So you can use that to your help with this tour. And without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. This is the front living, so I am starting here in the front living area. Right behind me here, guys, Thomas Payne Collection furniture. It does have massage, reclining, LED lighting, anything that you think that it needs, it's got. Right over here is a little nightstand in here with a GFI outlet up above. All windows, just like the Golds, come with the day night shades too. And the opposing slides have the Thomas Payne recliners that do fold out into beds to sleep anywhere from 2 to 4 people. Again, both of these slides do fold out and come into beds here. Back behind me here, we get in the TV section area. Big, deep cabinets in the back here. Cabinets underneath here. There's one of the fireplaces I was talking about. Cabinets on this side. Cabinets here. I had this down so that you guys could see a nice little view there. If you happen to be pointed the right way to the lake, you can have a real nice view there. Also, right here is where the TV comes up. 70-inch TV comes automatically up out of here, but it can also go down to where if you want to view, you can see the view too. Now follow me down to the kitchen area. Alright guys, now here we are in the kitchen area. We'll just go ahead and get started where I left off. As you can see, walk down the steps there to get into the kitchen area from the living area. Here's a nice little bar island stand here. Storage on each side here. A little place perfect place for coffee makers, USB ports too, cell phone charger station. I like this little countertop up here too. You can even put decorations if you want to have an office print or stuff like that. There is a GFI outlet right here also. Right behind me here, you can see double standard door, refrigerator, Norcold, gas, electric, lots of room. Up top there is another good storage. We'll get into here into the Furion microwave with storage all around. Cabinets on each side and above. A lot of people they feel claustrophobic. I think that's why this window's here. When you're cooking, you can see outside. You don't feel like it gets there. So I think that's a nice little setup they put there. GFI outlet right here on both sides for anything you need, coffee maker, stuff like that. Furion oven here. 3 stovetop burner, electric light here, guys. Don't have to light the oven anymore. Storage underneath the sink here. Double pane sink. Covers. Wide open farm style sink with the sprayer. Access to move around. And then just like all of our Golds, we stock them with the dishwashers. Here on the other side, we're getting into the dining area where you have 4 chairs set up here. You can extend the tables out. And then right behind me here is where they have moved the washer and dryer prep in the new 387 front living room, but also pantry too. Good storage here in pantry. If you guys decide you did not want to use a washer dryer prep, you got a lot of storage in there. All right, now we're going to go up to the bedroom area. All right, guys, last part of the tour here. You can see if you just walk up the steps from the kitchen, you enter the bathroom area. Without further ado, on the stepway up here, there is some storage up here you don't want to miss. We walk into the bedroom area now. As you can see, as promised, TV mounted fireplace all right here in the area. Next to the TV here, some good open shelving, which I like here. Pull-out drawers next to the fireplace. Big pull-out drawer underneath. Walking on down here with some more storage. Clothes rack right there on both. You can use. It's real deep, goes all the way down. Guys, barn door style sliding doors. I really like that. I think it gives it a more premium look than you see in most of your other trailers. this bed here. As you can see, there's a lot of walkway here. That's because they put the electric slide fold mattress in this thing. So whenever you guys aren't sleeping or just propped up watching TV, it's perfect. But when it comes time to sleep, one little switch and it simply just comes all the way down, gives you a full length. So just another way KZ is coming with custom quality to give you more room and more luxury in this trailer. Right behind us here, we're gonna keep on walking and getting this bathroom here. As you can see, full-size shower. What I love is they put the handles to the faucet up against the wall, which gives you even more room. Real smart on their part on that end. Most people complain about if they're taller, that they can't fit in these showers. This one, you're not going to have those kind of issues. As you can see behind me here, we have the double sinks for couples trailers with the teardrop faucet there. Plenty of storage underneath on both. Drawers in the middle, storage right here, and then your full-size flush toilet there. Towel rack here, light switches here, behind me here, another huge closet for storage, hanging clothes for bathing what you want to use. All right, guys, that will conclude our tour today of the 2021 KZ Gold 387 FLF. As always, guys, we want to get you into this thing. We have this thing, as you can see, marked down way under MSRP. Come ask for me, come ask for any of the guys, and we'll even make you a better deal. Just come down and see us. Let us show you this thing in person. It's even nicer in person. And if you ask for Drew or the guy in the video, I would be more than thrilled to throw you this and see if I can even work you a better deal. Other than that, come down the Bells where we want to get you camping.